learning Java and felt like giving up in a few weeks? Then you are not alone. Thousands of people learn Java and quit every year. Not because Java is impossible, but because they make some of the few common beginner mistakes. Hi, I'm Samriddhi and I've been learning Java for past 4 years. And in today's video, I am going to share some of the biggest reasons why people quit learning Java and most importantly, how you can avoid them. So let's get started. The first mistake is trying to learn everything at once. Most of the beginners start with arrays, then move on to DSA, then object-oriented programming, and even to frameworks without even understanding properly the previous concepts. Instead, try to focus on one concept at a time and master it before moving ahead. Second reason is skipping the basics. If your basics like loops, arrays, methods, classes, object-oriented programming, strings aren't strong, you will struggle with the advanced topics later. A strong foundation will make the learning much more easier. The third reason is not practicing enough. Watching tutorials is helpful, but programming is a practical skill. The only way to improve it is by writing the code yourself. So, the more you write the code, the more confident you become. The fourth reason is being afraid of errors. Every beginner thinks that if they get some errors, they are doing something wrong. But trust me, every error is a part of normal programming. Every programmer, no matter what experience they have, they do spend time on fixing the bugs. The fifth reason is comparing yourself. You might see people building amazing projects and you feel like left behind. But everyone learns at a different pace. So compare yourself with your yesterday's version and not someone else. The sixth mistake is giving up too early. Java isn't something that you can master in a few days. Learning will take time, and that is normal. Those were some of the biggest reasons why people learn quitting Java. One of these mistakes, don't worry. Fix them by starting today. Practice daily, stay consistent, and don't give up. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Java beginner friendly content. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.